Yo, what's up, guys? We are going out, guys, to the waterside. I don't know where it is. Hopefully, it's a good place and hot. And let's get our small vlog, guys. We'll be stuck indoors, guys, for quite some time. And right now, yeah, let's get things going, guys. Let's go out, enjoy ourselves.
This could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Yeah, here goes the other side. Look how beautiful it is. Hello. How are you? Good evening, guys. Yeah. Yeah, but okay, cool. Yeah, Shalom. You're rubbing up. Thank you so much. Hey. Talaga a bit. Guys, we are here. This is our table. Hey, how's it? Good evening. Yeah. So guys, check the as a main, guys. I'm thinking of oysters in this. Yeah, thinking of oysters and cocktails. Let's see. Cocktails. Yeah, maybe we may have one or two. We'll see, guys. We'll see. And yeah, wine, glass of wine. But we have Shiloh, so yeah. Guys, we come to the waterside, guys, and check this view out. Oh wow, look at that view, guys. Look at that view. It looks beautiful. Wow. And Shadow, now it's finally rest up.
Do you mind if I just lower my mask while I speak?
Yeah, that's okay.
So the bun that you see in front of you is our Japanese style milk bun. So it's been infused with rosemary. That we use to eat these two tapas dishes first.
Okay.
Then at the end have your snack. So let me first go through this one over here.
Yes.
So on the outside there's a roasted garlic and pine nut butter with a rosemary oil on the inside. Further top with candied pine nuts, add a sweetness and a crunch. So the pine nuts and caper viewers along with crispy capers to add to the texture.
Wow.
So then move on to the second one, which is your chicken liver parfait, which is the main ingredient, showing all these beautiful colors, which are in fact with 3 different types of purees. The green one being a salsa verde, the pink one being a rhubarb butter, the brown one being a Jerusalem artichoke puree.
Oh, wow.
And finally, for your snack, the cracker at the bottom is an oat cracker with a spicy jalapeno sauce filling, further topped with your beef tartare, which has been tossed in dill emulsion, and finally topped off with a red onion marmalade, the final touch of it.
Thank you so much.
So essentially just open the bread, use your knives. I'd recommend to start with this one, then move on to the parfait, and then just pop this in your mouth again.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much, man. Guys, this is really nice. And also the snack, this is the last thing we have. Guys, here's some oyster. Yo guys, this is my cognac. But those are palate cleansers, guys, to cleanse our palate so that you can be ready for the next meal. So let's get down, guys. Get down almost at the main course, guys. Yo guys, palate cleansing is happening here. Cheers. Palate cleansing, guys. Nice.
Based on a bed of cabbage creamy.
Oh, nice.
Fresh seasonal veg surrounding some crispy Patagonian squid as well as some smoked sugar mustards. The sauce to bring it all together is a Madagascar is a black forest ham velouté. Quite nice and smoky and creamy.
Nice, man. Thank you so much. Guys, look at our main course, guys. This is our main course. Inshallah, I don't want to disturb you. Main course, guys. Definitely our main course, guys. It looks awesome. Like what the sea bass, guys. Sea bass, sea bass, sea bass, sea bass, sea bass. Yes, guys. Look at that. This is the sea bass, guys. And that's the meat.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up, I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong.
Yo guys, we just finished dinner at the waterside. It was actually nice, very good, guys. Right now I think we're gonna just relax and go home. I'm too full, guys, like literally I'm too full. I hope you enjoyed our small video for today, guys, you know, at the waterside. I know it has many pictures, we didn't take many videos, but hey, we're just enjoying the food and enjoying the moment, guys, you know. Anyway, and I hope you enjoy your day, guys. I'm gonna sign out. This is ZuluMachine sign out. I'll see you another time when you're online. Kaboom!
The next day. Cause I can't move on till I let go.
Yo guys, what's up? My name is Sifo Mota, aka the ZuluMachine, and today, guys, we are sadly leaving Cape Town. Hey, yeah, it's a sad day, guys, but it's okay. It's time to go back home, guys, and enjoy Josie. Winter is waiting for us. Let's leave this cold Cape Town. Yeah.
I need time to heal, the pain makes it real. I don't wanna feel, I just wanna kill the bad thoughts and steal a good thought and feel. I'm just lost, I feel, I'm just lost to feel. I need time to heal, I can't steer the wheel. Cause this drive it kills, and it gives me chills. A nice road it feels, I slip off the peel and crash all the steel. Will I ever heal? I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go.
So guys, we just finished checking now. We're gonna look for something to eat. Yeah, and my mask is a bit wet again because carrying heavy bags, you know. But now we are relaxing, done with the heavy lifting. And yeah, checking out Cape Town in terms of domestic side of Cape Town, the airport. Yeah.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah guys, this is what happens after eating at the airport. Since we waiting for our flight, guys. We fly with FlySafair flight number 205, guys, today. And they just having fun, yeah. Look at them. Yo guys, we are on what call this flight 205 from FlySafair, guys. Let's check the seat before we even take off, guys. So this is the seat, these are my knees, guys. There is enough leg room in this plane, guys, and Charlotte obviously always has too much leg room. And look at him, he's gonna see that the phone goes off soon. because I'm gonna put it into flight mode. Yeah, but there's still nothing here, man. In the window there. Anyway, we're boarding, guys, and everyone's still coming in, and the seatbelt flash on. Yeah, but anyway, we continue when on the air, guys. We continue talking when you're on the air.
4 exits in the middle of the aircraft over the wings, and 2 exits in the rear. Please take note of the emergency exit nearest to you, keeping in mind that one or more may be located behind you. There is a floor-level emergency lighting system that will direct you to the exits in the unlikely event of an emergency.
So guys, this seats did not recline today. It's a bit dark outside, so you can see it. So it's not take off video.
For the landing, I'll be switching off this cabin light. The panel will be to fun and individually drive to your convenience.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up, I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean, filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hope. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hope. Cause I can't move on till I let go. Till I let go, I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hope. Cause I can't move